Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a Google account, how to create a Google account. So first you just have to go to your Google web browser on your phone, and then what you're going to do here is you have to type google.com, and then you will see here this nine dots. All you have to do is to click sign in, or you can see this beside nine dots rather, you will see the sign in. You have to tap that one and you have to verify that it's you who's using your phone. So as you can see, it's now checking information and wait as it is processing. Now after that, it will take you directly to this. So what you're going to do here is you have to click this create account. So you have two choices, but for me, I have to tap this for my personal use. So here you have to enter first name and then last name is optional. But let me type my last name here. And then if this one is not available, then they will let you proceed. But if this one is okay, then you can tap next and then enter your birth date, okay, month, day, and then year. And for the gender, you have the option to say or not. So I'll rather tap this female right here and then click next. And then after that, you have to enter username here. However, if your username is not available, then they will not let you proceed and they will tell you that this username is taken. So they will suggest something here. So you have to try and then after that, click next. And once it's okay, then you can now create your password. And then after that, you can now review your account and then tap next. And actually, that's it. Okay. So once done, you can now tap this privacy and terms. You can now proceed and agree with the terms. So I agree. And then after that, you just have to wait as it is processing. Now it will take you directly to your Google account or your email address. And then what you're going to do here is you have to tap your profile and then click this Google account, and it will take you directly to your Google account. I hope this video helped you. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.